Hi, welcome to Lalas World. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use the social media site MeWe. Be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you get notified when more content is posted. Open your preferred browser and type MeWe.com in the search bar. You'll be prompted to create an account. Enter your first name and last name along with your email and password. Be sure to check the two boxes on the bottom. Upon creating your account, it'll ask if you want to sync contacts that are attached to the email. You can choose whether you want all of them from your address book or you can manually select them. Afterwards, it'll ask you to verify your email. Once verified, you'll have access to the site and its features. Upon entering the site, you'll be greeted with your homepage. It'll contain your feed, easy access tabs for inviting friends, browser groups or pages on the top left, and your chats on the bottom left. Along with that, you can edit your profile's basic features on the right side, which we'll get into soon, along with your groups and what you're a part of on the bottom right. Let's begin with editing our profile. This can be done by clicking on your icon on the top right. Clicking on My Profile, you'll be presented with all sorts of information that you can fill out by clicking on them, from your city to your high school, a little bit about yourself section. You can make a post and choose from your contacts who can see it, or make it completely public. It's your choice. Along with that, on the right side, you can change your status when you want, from when you're currently eating and drinking to your current book or your favorite quote. Below that is your favorite group. This will be displayed to whoever visits your profile, along with the aforementioned status and information about yourself. Lastly, below that, you can change your profile's privacy by clicking the options on the bottom right. Along with that, you can change your profile picture and your background photos by clicking on both of these options selectively. By doing so, you're given the choice to choose from the cloud or images you've uploaded, or from your computer. You can trim and adjust accordingly. Chats is one of the most important features of MeWe. It allows you to chat with your contacts and other members of the platform. To do so, you'll want to click on the chat bubble icon. From here, you can type the name of one of your contacts using the search bar presented here, or manually search for one of the contacts via My Contacts below. You can also invite them manually by clicking on the Invite Friends option and sending the link. Here we have groups. This can be accessed from the Groups tab on the top left. Here is where you can connect with other members of MeWe by either joining a group or creating one. To create a group, click on the icon here, and from there, it'll give you the option to name the group, describe what it's about, along with the banner. From there, it'll ask you about what kind of group it will be. By clicking this tab, you can choose what kind of group it is. Below are the privacy options. You can choose how people can join your group. You can have it be private, have it be open, or selective of who can and can't join. From there, you can also adjust the member permissions and what they can and cannot do. You can choose to give them all options, which is contributor, meaning they can post, comment, and invite. Or you can give them limited or viewer from there. From there, you can begin making your introduction to the group. By clicking here, you can make a post, you can add a caption, along with an image or other options. By circling back to the group's homepage, you can join more public groups. To do that, click on one of the options on the right and click something you find interesting. From there, you're offered multiple groups under a similar interest. Click on Join or Apply, and from there, you can post or talk with others in the group. Pages or you can find pages dedicated to certain brands, companies, or figures. When you click the first tab, you'll be greeted with multiple pages and selections dedicated to certain pages. To keep updated on these, you'll want to hit the follow button so you can get the updates on the page you follow. Under the Events tab, you can click on any of the days on the calendar and add an event. You'll have a choice between open or private. Both have their differences displayed beneath them. One is able to be accessed and joined by anyone, and private events are only accessible by those who are sent an invite link. When you create an event, you can name it, add a location, adjust the time it starts and finishes, and add a description to it. Below that, you can change when it will remind you, along with how often it will repeat. When you make an event, you'll be given the option to invite contacts. That just about covers MeWe. I hope you learned something from this, and if you did, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future tutorials. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the other videos on this channel.